I've had a lot of people message me asking me, one, have I got the Cyclone? And two, have I modified it yet? Because I do like to modify things to make them work better. I haven't really done any modifications, but the Bauer dust collector actually has a 6-inch port, and they have a little plastic adapter that takes it down to 4-inch. The Bauer Cyclone has a 6-inch port with a plastic adapter that takes it down to a 4-inch. Well, I went ahead and just connected them with a 6-inch pipe, and now that gives me more airflow. I've tested it, and it's greater airflow than they even advertise. One of my first modifications, if I keep this barrel, is I want to, right up here on the top, put like an LED so that you can see in the barrel. So yesterday, we had a couple hundred board foot of some rough cut, milliseconds walnut that we ran through the planer. Now I was taking a 1/16 off per pass, and we were running these things through hard and heavy, and luckily I've got the helical head in my planer, and we ended up filled up the little drum on this Cyclone, I think 8 times in about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. And as you can see, all this thing here was doing fantastic. Now the second time we filled up the barrel, we actually let it go a little bit too far and had overfilled, and it was up into the bottom of the Cyclone. However, it was still catching, and we only had a handful that had made it into the dust collector. Now we kept running it, and we ran and filled it up about 8 or 9 times in 4 or 5 hours there. As you can see, here's a big old pile out back of the walnut shavings that we ran yesterday. And through all that, literally, we have maybe a gallon or so that made it into the dust collector, which means with that little bit making it into the dust collector, the filter obviously didn't, get anything in it. All right, well, I guess no longer making thigh baffles. If I need Cyclone or dust separation, I'm going with one of these Cyclones. This thing is top notch. This isn't one of those things to get you by. This is the tool that you're going to need. So if you're a one-man shop, two-man shop, you're running a couple of tools, this thing is going to, I think it'll handle up to like a 5 horsepower dust collector. So it can actually handle a pretty good size dust collection system. Definitely, if you're in the market, go check this sucker out. The price, you can find this thing from a couple other companies. None of them are going to beat the price or the quality. Harbor Freight's really stepping that up, and I've been buying tools from them for about 30 years now. Back in the old days, about 75% of them were great. You'd get a few duds here and there, but man, it's been a year or two since I've had anything that I could even try to nitpick. So, until next time, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. And if you got any ideas of how to modify these things, put it in the comments, let me know, because I'm definitely going to be modifying this. I've got to get a bigger drum on here. I can't be changing out my drum or emptying my dust bin 8, 9 times in a single day. So definitely going to have to be able to put this on a bigger bin, but because of the way it's built, it's not going to be a problem. And well, that's it.